Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will talk about how to install a Raspbian into our Raspberry Pi. So, here is a Raspberry Pi model B+. So let's get started. Now, first of all, we need to download a Raspbian into our computer. Now, here, go to Google. And write Raspbian. Here you can write a Raspbian. So here you can see that. Click on the first link. Here there are different versions. So basically what I recommend is Raspbian Scratch with desktop and recommended software. Download a zip file. Now you can see that download is starting, and it's about 1.9 GB zip file. So now after downloading, we need to extract the file. Here Raspbian. After extracting the file, you will get scratch.image file. Now first of all, we need to make an image so that we can run our operating system to Raspberry Pi. So for this, we need to install another software. Go to Google. And type Win32 disk imager. I have already done this. So now you can see that the first source, sourceforge.net. From here you can download it. The software name Win32 disk imager. Here you can see that a download button. Now after pressing this, the download will be started in few seconds. It's around 12 MB software. You can easily download it. You can see that. Now after downloading it, now I have downloaded Win32 disk imager software and click to run. Now you need to upload your image file to this software, and this will make an image over your micro SD card and make an operating system, that is Raspbian, to your micro SD card. So click yes, install it, and then upload your image file. Follow the steps. Next. Finish. Now here it's a readme text file. Now here you need to upload, you need to give an address where your image file. Now similarly, I have make a desktop and Raspberry Pi 3 Raspbian scratch.image file. Open and write. Oh, first of all I need to place, no, wait, first of all I need to insert an micro SD card into my PC, then I need to write it. So wait for a minute. Now after inserting a micro SD card, you can write an image into your micro SD card. So we have just uploaded an scratch.image file, and similarly we write yes, we want to continue, and similarly this software will make an image into your micro SD card. Now after completion, you will have a full operating system, that is Raspbian, into your Raspberry Pi. So I am putting my video here, and after that you will have the screen of Raspberry Pi. So after completing this, you will have a screen like this that I will show you after the installation. Now after plugging in your Raspberry Pi, you will have the screen like this. Now you have successfully installed your Raspberry Pi, your Raspbian into your Raspberry Pi, and the screen which looks like similar to this.